Hi everyone, I am Fiona. In this video, we will show you the PE bundling machine operation tutorial. Turn on the main power switch. After the power is connected, the machine enters standby mode. Press the reset button once. Place the foam in position. Hold the foam with both hands, and then press the foot pedal switch to start operation. This is the speed adjustment button, with 3 levels: Level 1, Level 2, and Level 3, from slow to fast. This is the wrapping cycle setting button, corresponding to 1 wrap, 2 wraps, and 3 wraps. The jog function is mainly used for machine maintenance and adjustment. First, press the emergency stop button, then hold the jog button, and the lower machine head will move. Hold the jog button continuously to move the machine head to the required maintenance position. After maintenance is completed, release the emergency stop button and press the reset switch once to resume normal operation.